Hello. When teaching social skills, there's three things to keep in mind. The first one is self-concept. The second one is the physical self. And the third one is self-efficiency. And the first one, self-concept, that's how they feel about themselves, self-esteem. So we really want to build up their self-esteem so they always feel like they're doing the best. You also want them to feel like they're unique and not to compare themselves to everybody else. So when doing this, you may talk about their name and how special their name was and that their parents gave them that name. And you could sing songs with their name. You could do name puzzles, just different games with names in it. You could also tell them, go around the circle and say one thing why they're special to help build up that self-esteem. The physical self is their image about themselves, like not the image about themselves, but their body. It could be that their skin is too brown, too light, this or that, or their hair isn't curly or is too curly. And with this, you would do a lot of reading about differences in multicultural books and just talk about differences and that even though people are different, we're all still the same. And to help them embrace themselves and how they look. For this, you could have them do murals of themselves, draw themselves, and really get into the detail of their hair color and their eyes and what have you. You could do an eye graph. You could do a hair graph, what color hair you have. You can do curly, short, that kind of stuff also. Just stuff to do about their bodies and how we're all different, but we're still all the same. And then self-efficiency. That's what they can do, what they can give to the classroom. And in this, you're going to teach your social skills like sharing, saying sorry, and understanding, teaching them the understanding that what they do affects others. And for this, you could do a scripted stories. You could do a feelings wall because feelings are all unique. And that way they can also identify their feelings and they could tell their friends if they're, what they said hurt them or not hurt them. You could also do voting. Voting will help them realize that even though what they're voting on is different and it's part of how the community actually works. So those are the three skills, three parts of teaching social studies. Thank you.